Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to change your any colored artwork like this to something like this. If you want to know the exact process how I did it, make sure you are completely with me for next few minutes and I will show you step by step. So first of all, I'm having my artwork, the pre-color artwork here, just making a nice background to it with a solid color layer adjustment. And again, I'm just going to select our painted artwork, the layers where I've painted my artwork. Select those, right click, you can duplicate and merge the layers. Now I'm going to use the lasso tool for making custom selections. You could select any of the part of your artwork. Before selection, make sure that you are having a feather, say of 20 pixels, 18 pixels, like that. And you can see I'm just making any random selection. You could either use your pen or mouse or any other input device for making such selection. And once selected, you can see the marching ants on the edges, and because it's with feather, so that it's have a very nice smudgier edges, not a very hard edge. Hit Ctrl U for the hue saturation panel and increase the saturation. Don't play with the hue, otherwise that will be a different color only. I just want to give a nice brightness, a nice richness of the color. So for that I'm using the saturation panel and a little bit of the lightness. Hit OK if you are satisfied. Hit Ctrl D for the deselection and you can see the results. For the outer edges areas, I am selecting the areas like this. Again Ctrl U. This time just decreasing the lightness so that the color give it nice contrast. And hit OK. Similarly, repeating the same process on all the areas that I require for this particular flower. And also, if you haven't seen my complete tutorial video of how to paint this flower that I have shared pretty much earlier, so I'm having the links of those videos in the description below and in the info cards here, and you can just tap on that and have a view of how to paint this complete flower from scratch. Here you can see how the colors are like really coming up. What it was earlier, a very subtle color, a very, say, dead color, then now it's such a bright color with a complete control of where the darkness and the lightness is. So you can also select the darker areas in one go by using the shift from the keyboard and decrease the brightness so that it goes darker and darker and give a nice contrast to rest of the colors. So I think I'm pretty much done with my look of the flower. I hope your paintings, your artwork have also changed from that color that you have earlier did to such a bright and effective way. And if so, if you like and find this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button to this video and recommend with your friends who might be needing these for enhancing their artworks.